Hi guys, today we will explain how to turn off join in Roblox. This process is simple and easy, and the methods are both mean for computer and for mobile is the same. What you have to do is simply open the Roblox application. And once it will be open on your computer, take a look on the left side, you can see the option of more. And on your mobile, you will see it at the right bottom corner. Once you see it, click on it. After clicking on option more, you will get access to your account management. And here you have to find the option setting. Once you see click on it, in the setting tab on the third option, privacy and content maturity. Here on the third number, you can see the option of visibility and private server. Just click on it and tap on the option visibility. Currently, the visibility is set to my friends and the people I follow. It means my friend and the people I follow can join me. But if I set it on no one, then without me, no one can join. Even your friends will not be able to join you. So click on it and let's go back. And using this way, you can turn off join on Roblox.